Are you ready to transform your body and build muscle fast? Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to enhance your current routine, this video is packed with essential tips tailored specifically for beginners. Make sure you subscribe for more advice on your health journey. Building muscle can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can see impressive results in no time. We'll dive into 8 powerful tips that will help you maximize your workouts, optimize your nutrition, and stay motivated on your path to strength. From workout techniques to dietary advice, each tip is designed to accelerate your muscle growth and set you up for success. Stick around to discover how you can achieve your fitness goals faster than you ever thought possible. Number 8. Track your progress. Keeping a record of your workouts and muscle gains is crucial for beginners. Tracking your progress allows you to see how far you've come, helping to maintain motivation and accountability. By noting your weights, reps, and sets, you can identify patterns and areas for improvement. This practice not only highlights your achievements but also informs your future workouts, ensuring you're consistently challenging yourself. While it may seem basic compared to more advanced techniques, tracking progress lays the foundation for success. Unlike higher-ranked tips that focus on immediate workout strategies or nutrition, this method emphasizes the importance of reflection and adaptation, making it an essential starting point on your muscle-building journey. Number 7. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is a fundamental yet often overlooked aspect of muscle building. Water plays a vital role in nutrient transport, muscle recovery, and overall performance. When you're well hydrated, your body can function optimally, allowing you to push harder during workouts and recover faster afterward. This ranks at number 7 because, while essential, it serves as a supportive element rather than a direct muscle-building strategy. Unlike higher-ranked tips that focus on specific training techniques or dietary choices, staying hydrated is a simple yet powerful habit that enhances all aspects of your fitness journey. By ensuring you drink enough water throughout the day, you set the stage for better workouts and improved results, making it a crucial step for beginners. Number 6. Get enough rest and recovery. Prioritizing rest and recovery is essential for muscle growth, as this is when your body repairs and strengthens itself. Adequate sleep and rest days allow your muscles to recover from the stress of workouts, preventing fatigue and injury. This ranks at number 6 because, while it's crucial, many beginners often underestimate its importance compared to more active strategies like lifting weights or adjusting nutrition. Unlike higher-ranked tips that focus on immediate actions, rest and recovery emphasize the long-term benefits of allowing your body to heal and adapt. By incorporating sufficient downtime into your routine, you'll not only enhance your performance, but also promote sustainable muscle growth, making it a vital component of your fitness journey. Number 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is the backbone of any successful muscle-building program. Committing to a regular workout schedule and sticking to your nutrition plan ensures that your body receives the stimulus it needs to grow. This ranks at number 5 because, while it may seem straightforward, the discipline required to maintain consistency can be challenging for beginners. Unlike higher-ranked tips that offer specific techniques or strategies, staying consistent is about cultivating a mindset and routine that supports your goals over time. By making fitness a non-negotiable part of your lifestyle, you create a solid foundation for progress. The more consistent you are, the more likely you are to see results, reinforcing the importance of this principle in your muscle-building journey. Number 4. Increase your protein intake. Protein is the building block of muscle, making it essential for anyone looking to bulk up. Increasing your protein intake supports muscle repair and growth, ensuring your body has the necessary nutrients to recover after workouts. This ranks at number 4 because, while it's critical, it works best in conjunction with other strategies like effective training and recovery. Unlike higher-ranked tips that focus on workout techniques or mindset, increasing protein intake is a straightforward dietary adjustment that can yield significant results. By incorporating protein-rich foods like lean meats, dairy, legumes, and protein shakes into your meals, you'll provide your muscles with the fuel they need to thrive, setting the stage for impressive gains in strength and size. Number 3. Focus on compound exercises. Compound exercises are multi-joint movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them incredibly effective for building muscle mass and strength. By prioritizing exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, you maximize your workout efficiency and stimulate greater hormonal responses that promote muscle growth. This ranks at number 3 because, while essential, it serves as a powerful complement to higher-ranked tips that emphasize nutrition and consistency. Unlike isolation exercises that target single muscles, compound movements provide a holistic approach to strength training, allowing beginners to develop functional strength and coordination. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll not only build muscle faster, but also enhance your overall athletic performance, making them a cornerstone of any effective training program. Number 2, follow a structured workout plan. A well-designed workout plan provides a roadmap for your fitness journey, ensuring that you target all muscle groups effectively and progressively increase your workload. By following a structured routine, you can track your progress, avoid plateaus, and stay motivated. This ranks at number 2 because it combines the principles of consistency and compound exercises, creating a comprehensive approach to muscle building. Unlike the top-ranked item, which emphasizes mindset and motivation, a structured plan offers the tactical framework needed to achieve your goals. With specific exercises, sets, and rep ranges laid out, you can focus on executing each workout with purpose, making it easier to see results and stay committed to your muscle-building aspirations. Number 1. Set clear goals. Establishing clear, achievable goals is the cornerstone of any successful muscle-building journey. Goals provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose, helping you stay focused on your objectives. This ranks at number 1 because it influences every aspect of your training, from workout plans to nutrition and recovery strategies. Unlike lower-ranked tips that focus on specific actions, setting goals creates a roadmap for your progress, allowing you to measure success and adjust your approach as needed. Whether your aim is to gain a certain amount of muscle mass or improve your strength in specific lifts, having defined targets keeps you accountable and motivated. By starting with clear goals, you lay the foundation for a successful and rewarding fitness journey. In this video, we explored the top 8 tips to build muscle fast for beginners, starting with the foundational importance of setting clear goals at number 1, followed by following a structured workout plan at number 2. We then highlighted the significance of focusing on compound exercises at number 3, increasing your protein intake at number 4, and staying consistent at number 5. Additionally, we discussed the necessity of getting enough rest and recovery at number 6 and staying hydrated at number 7, before wrapping up with the importance of tracking your progress at number 8. Each tip plays a vital role in your muscle-building journey. Dive deeper into these strategies, and remember, your commitment today shapes your strength tomorrow. Start your transformation now. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.